Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at DOGE and what power will it have, and what is this DOGE exactly, and what does DOGE mean, and what does DOGE stand for. Does it worth investing thousands in it or even millions in it? We're going to look at it. What is this DOGE and who are those behind this DOGE? Alright, from my research, DOGE is a very powerful coin which was launched back then at a very low rate, and today it has triumphed. Okay, so what is this exactly DOGE? DOGE stands for Department of Government Efficiency. How efficient will this DOGE become, or how efficient will it be in the nearest future? Currently, the DOGE is ranking 7 in the whole crypto market on this coin market app. Alright, so how much power will this DOGE have in the nearest time? But before that, let's look at far back then, years ago, when this very coin called DOGE was launched. Let's look at it a year ago. A year ago, this DOGE was 0.09, which was here. It was in 0.09 year ago. Okay, and when it was launched at a very low rate. Let me look at it. Okay, let's look at it more. It was launched at a very low rate, and today it is in 0.4. And it is in my hope that in the nearest time it will be reading 1 USDT. There is no doubt about that. Who are those people behind this? The elected president of Trump, the elected president of USA is behind this, and Elon Musk too, and all other prominent people of the world. They have a serious investment in this DOGE. So what should come to your mind? What you should be thinking about DOGE right now is that DOGE is going to take a move that is called unstoppable. It's going to be unstoppable in the nearest time. So what do you need to do? Make your research clearly. Go dive into it deeply and see what DOGE stands to make for you in the nearest years. Let's go to Bybit and let's look at this DOGE and see how it is doing before we come back here. So this is Bybit. Okay, it's a popular exchange in the world, of which most of us knows about it. Let's look at it. When was this? Okay, when was this launched? Let me look at it 1 week. All right, or let me still look at it 1 month. And I'm going to drag back to see when this was launched. Here, this coin was launched at its total low of 0.1. Okay, it closed its trade for that particular day at 0.2, right? And it took a very high move at what? At 0.4. Look at here. All this happened in what? In June 2021. That is in June 2021. All this happened. All right. And since then, it has been taking ups and down movements. Imagine you invested at this very day, and today, where is it today? It has returned to its previous stand. Okay, it has returned to its previous stand. You can take a look how it has been doing for all these years. Okay, it has returned to its previous stand, and today is going to take much more than that. There is no doubt about it. it's going to go more than this, because we all have a hope that this very coin called DOGE is going to take a very strong move that may lead to 1 USDT and above. Okay, it may lead to what? It may lead to 1 USDT and above. What is the network for this DOGE? How do you check the network for the DOGE? Okay, come to this very place. Look at this place to check the network for the DOGE. The network for the DOGE is DOGE itself. Okay, it's DOGE itself. You can see the network here. You see the network here. The network type is DOGE itself. Okay, and currently as it is, a lot of people are investing in this. They are seriously investing in DOGE. So if you really want to make a great turnout in the nearest future, dive into DOGE. But my advice for you is that you just still need to make a proper research on your own before investing on this coin called DOGE. Alright, so make your proper research, see what it stands to be in the nearest future before you can invest on it. Okay, so let's go back to this coin market cap. Looking at its community, okay, looking at its community, Bitcoin trades above 101k already. The top 10 cryptos are traded in green zone. Okay, this DOGE is among the top 10 crypto that are currently trading in green zone. So look at it carefully, make your own research. So let's go to the market and see where exactly can you buy this coin. Where you can buy this very noble coin on Binance. Alright, it's there on Binance, it's there on Coinbase, it's there on Budget, it's there on Kraken, it's also there on KuCoin, on Mesk, on Bitfinex, Gate.io, BinkX, CryptoCoins, Binance Bitstamp, and Bitomp. Alright, so in all these places, you can buy this coin, keep it for yourself, invest on it, and wait for its high return in the nearest future. How high it has gone on Binance? That's taken over 373 million, which is the 24 hours turnover. You can see it here. It has also taken over 1 billion, still on DOGE, but it features against USDT and against FDUSD. Against FDUSD is over 373 million. Against USDT is over 1 billion. That is to tell you that it's the third coin that has taken this very high movement in the crypto space. Alright, so all you just need to do, look at it carefully, make your proper research on it, and dive into it to make a huge returns in the nearest future. Let's look at its high and low. Its high was 0.4. Okay, and its market cap was over 60 billion, which is very much. It's highly very much. Okay, it's highly very much. What about its volume? Its trading volume, 24 hours volume, was over 5 billion. What about its maximum supply? This is its total supply. Alright, and this is its rank. Its rank currently number 7 in the whole crypto space. That is the in top 10 crypto coin that are currently trading greens. Right? So just make your research carefully and dive into it for investment. It's highly good for investment. Its all-time low was 0. Imagine. So imagine you purchase this at this very volume. Imagine you purchase this at this volume, which says its all-time low was a lot of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 8. Okay, imagine you secure this coin at this very rate. You would have made a lot by now. Alright, so this brings me to like the end of this very class. If you do have any question, do not forget. Drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Alright? So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.